Students, today we will start the next topic, practice set 3.3 of the chapter polynomials. In this method, in this practice set, first example is given: divide each of the following polynomial by synthetic division method and also by a linear division method. Write the quotient and remainder of the given polynomial. Now, firstly, we solve this example by synthetic division method. Now, in this synthetic method, firstly we see that the given polynomial that is the dividend is in the standard form or not. First example is given 2m square minus 3m plus 10. This dividend is in the standard form, therefore we can take directly. Now, how we solve this example by synthetic division method? Firstly, draw one horizontal and one vertical line. This vertical line and this is the horizontal line. Then see the divisor. Divisor is m minus 5. That means we take the minus opposite of this minus 5. Opposite of minus 5 is plus 5, and write this plus 5 to the left of the vertical line. Opposite of minus 5, coefficient minus 5 of the divisor to the left of the vertical line. Then in first row, write the coefficient of the dividend, that is 2, then minus 3 and 10. Then first coefficient 2, write the first coefficient as it is in the third row, that is 2. This is the first row, this is second row, and this is third row. First coefficient 2, write it as it is in the third row. Then we take the product of this 5 and 2. 5 into 2, 10, and write this product in the second row below the second coefficient, that is minus 3. Write 10 below the minus 3. Then we take the addition of this. Now 10 minus 3, that is 7. Now again take the product of this 5 and 7. 7 fifths are 35, and write this 35 below the third coefficient, that is 10, 35. Now we take the addition 45, and this 45 is the remainder. Now quotient in coefficient form. Firstly write quotient in coefficient form, that is 2 and 7. Now number of terms are 2. Number of terms 2, and therefore degree of this is 2 minus 1, which we already in previous practice said. Degree is 2 minus 1, that is 1, and therefore quotient is in index form 2m plus 7. Write the degree of this is the first coefficient, that is 2, then variable m, degree is 1, and last is constant term, and remainder we take is 45. How solve this? How we solve this in by synthetic method, division method? Firstly, draw a vertical line and horizontal line. Then in first row, to the left of vertical line, write the opposite side of the constant term of the divisor. Here divisor is m minus 5, and therefore opposite of minus 5 is plus 5, and therefore we write this plus 5 to the left of this vertical line. Then to the right of the vertical line, in first row write the coefficient of the dividend, that is 2, minus 3 and 10. Then in third row, that is below the horizontal line, write first coefficient as it is, that is 2 as it is. Then product of this first coefficient and this 5 2s are 10, and write this product below the second coefficient in second row, that is minus 3 and 10. Then take the addition of this 10 minus 3, that is 7. Then again take the product, and this is the remainder quotient in coefficient form. Then 2 and 7. Then number of terms are given 1 and 2. Then degree is number of terms minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1. Then quotient in index form 2m plus 7, and remainder is 45. Now second method is linear division method. First we say this synthetic division method, now linear division method. Now how we solve this example? By using linear method. Polynomial is given 2m square minus 3m plus 10. Write this as it is. Then firstly write the divisor. Divisor is given m minus 5. Therefore I write here m minus 5. Concentrate on this method. Firstly I write the divisor. Then I see the first term of the polynomial. Now first term is 2m square. Now in bracket from this m square I write m. That means the remaining term is 2m. That means from 2m square 2m gets common and write m minus 5 divisor. Now 2m into m, that is 2m square. Now product of this 2m into minus 5, that is minus 10m. Write opposite of this 10m, minus 10m. Minus 10m, opposite of minus 10m is plus 10m. Then write remaining terms as it is. Then 2m into m minus 5 as it is. Take the subtraction of this 7m plus 10. Again write first term as it is. Again from this 7m I take m minus 5 as common. That means I write divisor again, and from this m we write in bracket already. Remaining term is plus 7. Now 7 into m, 7m. Now 7 into minus 5, minus 35, and write the opposite of minus 35. Opposite of minus 35 is plus 35. Then write next term as it is. 2m into bracket m minus 5 plus 7 into m minus 5 and 35 plus 10, that is 45. Now in next this 45 there is no variable, therefore this is our remainder. Now from first two terms m minus 5 gets common. Remaining terms write in second bracket 2m plus 7 plus this 45. Now this m minus 5 is the divisor. Then this is the quotient, and therefore quotient is 2m plus 7 and last term is remainder, and which we find 45. Again we say this linear division method. Again concentrate on this method. 2m square, write the dividend 2m square minus 3m plus 10. Now in this first term, from this first term m gets common. That means we write directly the divisor m minus 5, and then before that divisor we write the common terms of 2m square. From this 2m square m we already write in bracket. That means from this 2m square we write m, remaining term is 2m. Therefore 2m into m minus 5, and 2m into m, 2m square. Now this 2m into minus 5, that is minus 10m, and then write opposite of this minus 10m, that is 10m, to cancel it. Now 10m, then write remaining terms of the given polynomial, that is minus 3m plus 10. 2m into bracket m minus 5 as it is. Now 10m minus 3m, that is 7m plus 10. First term is as it is 2m into bracket m minus 5. Now again take the same procedure, plus I write m minus 5 after some distance of this plus sign, which is divisor. Write divisor already. In each time write the divisor. Now from this divisor m minus 5, from this 7m, m we write in bracket, remaining term is 7, therefore here we write 7. Then m minus 5, then 7 into m, this 7m. Then 7 into minus 5, minus 35. Then write opposite of minus 35, that is plus 35, to cancel the variables value. My plus 35, then write next term 10. 2m into bracket m minus 5 plus 7 into bracket m minus 5, 35 plus 10, 45. Again, now here there is no variable, therefore it is the constant term, and constant term is a remainder. Now from these first two terms, m minus 5 gets common. Remaining terms we write in bracket 2m plus 7 plus 45, and this is the divisor. Remaining is quotient, that is 2m plus 7 is quotient, and this is the remainder 45. That is, it is in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and dividend means 2m square minus 3m plus 5. Divisor is m minus 5, quotient is 2m plus 7, and remainder is 45, and this is the linear division method. Next example, x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. That is, it is dividend and this is divider. Now firstly we solve this example by synthetic division method. In synthetic division, firstly we see the dividend, whether it is written in the standard form or not. Given example is in the standard form, therefore we draw a vertical line and horizontal line like this. To the left of the vertical line, write the opposite of the constant term of the divisor. Constant term of the divisor is plus 2. Opposite of plus 2 is minus 2, and therefore we write minus 2 to the left of the vertical line in first row. Then in first row, right of the vertical line, write the coefficient of each term of the dividend. X raised to 4, coefficient of x raised to 4 is 1. 2x cube, coefficient of 2x cube is 2. 3x square, coefficient of 3x square is 3. Coefficient of 4x is 4, and then constant term. Then write the first coefficient as it is in the third row, 1, and write this 1 below the horizontal line. Then take the product of that coefficient and this divisor, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Write this minus 2 below the second coefficient. Then addition of this 2 minus 2, that is 0. Then take the product of this 0 and minus 2. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Addition of this 3 and 0 is 3. Again product of this 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Then 4, addition of this 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. Then product of this minus 2 and this minus 2, minus 2 minus 2. Minus minus gets plus, 2 2s are 4. Addition of this 5 plus 4 is 9, and this is the remainder. Now write quotient in coefficient form. Write the coefficient excluding remainder, 1, 0, 3 and minus 2. Now number of terms. How many number of terms we get in coefficient form? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we write degree. Degree means number of terms minus 1, that is 3, and therefore we write quotient in index form, that is variable is x, therefore write start from x cube, x square and x. Now coefficient of first coefficient is 1, therefore we cannot write 1. Then plus 0x square, then plus 3x, and constant term is minus 2, that is the quotient is x cube plus 3x minus 2, and remainder is 9. Again we see this synthetic division method. Draw a vertical line and horizontal line. In vertical line, in first row, left of the vertical line, write the opposite of the constant term of the divisor. Divisor is plus 2, constant term of the divisor is plus 2. opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. Write this minus 2 in to the left of vertical line. Then to the right of the vertical line, write the coefficient of each term of the dividend, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then write the first coefficient as it is below the horizontal line in third row. Then take the product of first 1 and this minus 2, that is minus 2. Product this minus 2, write this product below the second coefficient in second row, that is 2 and minus 2. Addition of this is 2 minus 2 is 0. Again take the product of addition and constant term minus 2. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Write this product in the below the third coefficient. Then 3 plus 0, 3. Then product of 3 and minus 2, minus 6. Write the product in below the fourth coefficient, that is 4. That is 4 minus 6 minus 2. Again take the product of this minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Write this plus 4 below the next coefficient, that is 5 plus 4 means 9, and this 9 is the remainder. Then write the quotient in coefficient form excluding remainder. 1, 0, 3, minus 2. Number of terms in coefficient form are 1, 2, 3, 4. Degree is number of terms minus 1, that is 3. Quotient, therefore we write firstly the degree, index form x cube, x square and x. Now write the coefficient 1x cube plus 0x square plus 3x minus 2. That means x cube plus 3x plus minus 2, and the remainder is 9. This is the synthetic division method. Then solve this example by a linear division method. Now given polynomial, the dividend is x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now firstly I write the divisor x plus 2. Now from first term x raised to 4, I write x in the first bracket. Therefore remaining is from this x raised to 4, x gets right in bracket, and therefore remaining term is x cube. Now we get x cube into x plus 2, that is x cube into x, x raised to 4. Product of this 2 into x cube is 2x cube. Opposite of this plus 2x cube is minus 2x cube, therefore you write here minus 2x cube. Then write remaining terms of the given dividend plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This plus 2x cube minus 2x cube gets cancelled. X cube into x plus 2 plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. First term as it is x cube plus x cube into bracket x plus 2, then plus I write here 3x because I write the divisor again in the bracket, that is like this, x cube into x plus 2 plus some distance after some distance I write the divisor x plus 2. Now from this 3x square I write x in bracket, remaining from 3x square is 3x. Then 3x into x, 3x square plus 3 into 2, 6x plus 6x, and write the opposite of plus 6x is minus 6x. Then write the next terms as it is plus 4x plus 5. Then x cube into bracket x plus 2 into bracket plus 3x into bracket x plus 2 as it is. Then again after some distance I write the divisor x plus 2. Firstly solve the next these two terms. Minus 6x plus 2x, that is minus 2x plus 5. Then x cube into bracket x plus 2 plus 3x into x plus 2. Then after some distance I write divisor x plus 2. Now from this minus 2x, x already written in the bracket, remaining term is minus 2, therefore here write minus 2. Then minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Write opposite of minus 4, that is plus 4, and the remaining term 5. X cube into bracket x plus 2 plus 3x into bracket x plus 2 minus 2 into x plus 2, and this plus 4 plus 5, that is 9. Now there is no variable to connected or added to this coefficient constant term, therefore our 9 is the remainder. Now from all the remaining terms, x plus 2 gets common. Into bracket we get x cube plus 3x minus 2, and this is 9. Now write quotient and remainder. Which is the quotient? X plus 2 is the divisor. Then this x cube plus 3x minus 2 is the divisor, sorry, quotient, and the constant term is remainder. If we see this in synthetic division method and linear division method, quotient becomes same, remainder becomes same. Again we take linear division method. X raised to 4 plus x 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now firstly, by solving this linear division method, firstly write the divisor. Then from first term, remaining term is written before the bracket. That is like this. Firstly write the divisor, x plus 2. Then from first term, we take x as common in bracket. The remaining term of the x raised to 4 write before the bracket. From x raised to 4, x gets common. Remaining is x cube. Therefore write x cube before the bracket. Then take the product of second term of the bracket and the common term, x cube into 2, 2x cube. Write the opposite of that 2x cube, that is minus 2x cube. Then write the remaining terms of the given polynomial as it is. Here plus 2x minus 2x cube gets cancelled. Then x cube into x plus 2 plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Again first term as it is, plus again I write divisor after some distance of this plus sign. Then from this 3x square we write x in the bracket. From 3x square we write x, remaining is plus 3x, therefore here we write plus 3x. Then product of the second term of the bracket and this common term, 3x into 2 plus 6x, right opposite of this plus 6x, that is minus 6x, remaining term as it is. Now x cube plus x plus 2 plus 3x into x plus 2, subtraction of this minus 2x plus 5. Again x cube into x plus 2 plus 3x into x plus 2 as it is. Now from this term we write again divisor x plus 2 and remaining term of that minus 2x write before the bracket, that is minus 2. Then product of minus 2 into 2 minus 4, write opposite of this minus 4, that is plus 4, and then remaining term 5 plus 4 9. Now from all these three terms x plus 2 gets common, remaining terms we write in bracket x cube plus 3x minus 2 plus 9 as it is. Now it is in the form of divisor, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is quotient is x cube plus 3x minus 2 and remainder is 9. Next example is y cube minus 216 divided by y minus 6. If we say the dividend is not in the standard form, therefore firstly we write standard form of this y cube minus 216, that is y cube, missing terms we take as 0, y square plus 0y minus 216. Now draw vertical line and horizontal line. Write opposite of the constant term of the divisor. Minus 6 is the constant term. Opposite of this minus 6 is plus 6. Write this plus 6 to the left of the vertical line. Then right of the vertical line in first row write the coefficient of the dividend. Here 1 y cube, that is 1. 0 y square means coefficient is 0. Again 0 and minus 216. Now write first coefficient as it is below the horizontal line in third row. Then product of both 6 into 1 6. Write this 6 in below the second coefficient. Addition of both 0 plus 6 6. Again product of both 6 6 are 36. Addition of 0 plus 36, that is 36. Product of this 36 into 6, that is 216. Addition of this 216 minus 216 is 0, and this 0 is the last term is the remainder. Then quotient in coefficient form. Write coefficient excluding last term, that is remainder. Coefficients are 1, 6 and 36. Then number of terms are 1, 2, 3. Now degree. Number of terms minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore, quotient in index form. Start from degree 2. Variable is y. Therefore, write y square and y. First coefficient is 1. Then plus 6y plus 36. And remainder is the last term, that is 0. I think you understand this example. To solve this by synthetic division method, firstly write the given dividend in coefficient form. If it is not in standard form, given y cube minus 216, in this y square and y term is missing. Therefore, we write the given polynomial as y cube plus 0y square plus 0y minus 216. Then draw vertical line and horizontal line. In left of the vertical line, write the opposite of the constant term of the divisor. Here minus 6 is constant term, therefore opposite of minus 6 is plus 6, and therefore write plus 6 to the left of vertical line. Then right of the vertical line in first row, write the coefficient of the dividend 1, 0, 0, minus 216. Now below the horizontal line, write first coefficient as it is 1. Then take the product of that both. 6 into 1, 6. Write the product below the second coefficient in second row. 0 plus 6, that is 6. Take product of both again, constant term and coefficient. 6 into 6, 36. Write 36 below the third coefficient in second row. 0 plus 36, 36. Take product of 36 into 6, 216. Write product 216 into second row below the next coefficient. Minus 216 plus 216, 0. Now quotient in coefficient form, that is 1, 6, 36, 0 is remainder. Number of terms in coefficient form 1, 2, 3, therefore 3. Degree is number of terms minus 1, that is 2. Then quotient in index form 1y square plus 6y plus 36, remainder is 0. Now we solve this by linear division method. Dividend is given 2y cube minus 216. To solve this example by linear division method, it is not mandatory, it is not compulsory to write the in coefficient form. Now firstly I write the divisor y minus 6. Now before this y minus 6 bracket, I write the remaining term of the first term of the given dividend. From this y cube we write y, that is in bracket. Therefore from this y cube we write y, remaining is y cube. From this y cube y square is remaining. Then y square into y, this is y cube. Then minus 6 into y square, that is minus 6y square. And then write the opposite of this minus 6y square, that means write plus 6y square. Write next term of the given dividend. Then y square into bracket y minus 6. Again after some distance I write the divisor y minus 6. Now from this 6y square we take y in the bracket. Then remaining term of the 6y square, that is 6y. Write this 6y before that bracket. Then plus 6y into product of the second term. Minus 6 into 6, minus 36. Opposite of minus 36y is plus 36y. Then remaining term minus 216. Y square into bracket y minus 6 plus 6y into y minus 6. Again after some distance I write the divisor. Now from this plus 36y I write y in bracket. Remaining is plus 36, I write here. Then plus 36 into minus 6, that is minus 216. Minus 216, write the opposite of minus 216, that means plus 216, and the remaining term is minus 216, and the both gets cancelled. That is y square into bracket y minus 6 plus 6y into bracket y minus 6 plus 36 into y minus 6 plus 0. Now from all these three terms y minus 6 gets common. Remaining is y square plus 6y plus 36 plus 0. That means it is now in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means quotient is y square plus 6y plus 36 and remainder is 0. And if we see in both methods, quotient and remainder always same.